This is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today I'm going to be taking you guys through 3 different glute bridge variations if you have some sciatica pain. So let's get started. Our first glute bridge variation is going to be the standard glute bridge. So you're going to pull your feet in, your heels are going to be at hips distance apart, and your toes are going to be pointing straight. Your knees are going to be in line with your second toe. Then you're going to lay down flat on the ground, squeezing and tucking your pelvis, squeezing that belly button into the floor. Your arms are going to be out at your sides. Pushing into your heels, you're going to send your hips up to the sky, squeezing your glutes at the top, and then coming right back down. For the standard glute bridge, you can perform about 5 to 10 reps, and then we can move on. Our next glute bridge is going to be a single leg glute bridge. Same setup, you're going to pull your heels in and then lay back. Toes are going to be straight, heels at hips distance. But the main difference now is that we're going to be doing a single leg bridge. So both of your hands are going to grab your right knee lightly and then pull it towards your chest. It should be very nice and comfortable. You don't want to yank and force your knee into your chest. While your hands are on your knee, you're going to push off of that left heel, sending your hips up to the sky. Same thing, squeezing at the top, coming right back down. We're going to perform 5 repetitions on each side. You can do 5 to 15 reps on each side. Switch. All right, and the last and my favorite glute bridge variation is a single leg glute bridge with a rotation. This one is super fun, and it's a great back stretch. Same setup, pulling your heels in, you're gonna lay back onto the floor. Feet are going to be straight. This time, let's start with the left leg. Left ankle is going to come on top of your right knee. Your knee is gonna open up wide, and this should feel very comfortable. You shouldn't feel any pulling, straining, or anything like that. Your arms are gonna be out wide like a T. You're going to squeeze your core tight and then push into that right heel, sending your hips up to the sky. Now, bring your butt back down. For the rotation, we're going to bring that left foot down to the ground, turn and look at your right hand. The foot on the ground, so my right foot is only tilting to the side to allow this rotation to happen. It's not moving anywhere. So let's do 5 reps on each side. Once you're done, let's switch. Again, you can perform 5 to 15 repetitions on each side. And there you have it, guys. Those are 3 different glute bridge variations. If you guys have sciatica pain, glute bridging, any type of bridge variation is an amazing exercise to help strengthen your body. But as always, if you are unsure if a movement is right for you, please consult a doctor or a physician before you perform any exercises. Thank you guys again so much for supporting me, for watching my content, subscribing, commenting, all of that. It means the world to me. Have a great day. See you on my next video.